YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to do the purl stitch using the brand new Loop It yarn by Red Heart. To begin, when you receive your Loop It yarn, you want to remove the ball band so that you can get access to the outside of the ball. Once you have removed the ball band, go ahead and just play around on the outside of the ball and you will find the outside edge of the yarn, and this is where we will start. To begin, we need to snip the very first loop just to make sure we have a nice tail. It's really quite simple. Grab the yarn and go ahead and snip the loop open. Once that loop is open, you're ready to start. When you're working with the pattern, it will tell you exactly how many loops you need to work with. For this example, I'm going to use 5. Let's learn how to do the purl stitch with the new Loop It yarn. When we knit, we take the working stitches from the ball of yarn and we tuck them through the project stitches from the back to the front. When we purl, we want to use those working stitches from the ball of yarn and we want to tuck them from the front to the back. So you'll notice I'm bringing my yarn and we're going into the front. We're going to the front of these stitches and I'm going from the front to the back. Make sure I go to the next stitch on my ball of yarn, the next stitch on my project, and go from front to back. Work this way all the way down the row, putting the stitches from the ball of yarn through the stitches on your project. When you get to the end of the row, do not turn your work. We are simply going to work back into those stitches we just created. So here I am. This is the last stitch I did. This is the next stitch on my ball of yarn, and I will work it through the front to the back on the stitches on my project. By not turning my work, I'm actually creating some purl bumps all on the very same side of my project. I'm going to put these all the way through, and then let's set this down and kind of see what we have here. So I have all 5 loops right here. Notice they aren't going anywhere. That's the beauty of this wonderful Loop It yarn. And I'm getting these nice purl ridges. Now you know how to do the purl stitch. Everything you need to know about knitting or crochet can be found right here on the Marley Bird YouTube channel. Learn with Marley Bird. Visit youtube.com/Marley Bird.